So I literally just got the package from the UPS man. He came knocking on the door like a police. But I already knew what it was, so, because I kind of sort of know what time they be dropping stuff off in my neighborhood. So got the package. I'm not going to show y'all my address. Let's open it. Okay, so the hair came in this cute little silk pouch, and this hair is from Queen Like Hair, and it is on AliExpress. There's their website, but y'all already know I'm gonna link it in the description box below. So let's go ahead and open it and see what she looks like. Okay, so they got the wig, of course, in this packaging. Got some wig caps. And, ooh, they sent me an adjustable band, which I am going to put on there. And they sent me these lashes that I would not be wearing. Okay. Okay. I give them to my daughter to play with. So that's what was in the little silk bag, and this is the wig itself. So I ordered a 6x6 closure wig, 34 inches and 220% density. Let's see what she looked like. Ooh. So y'all already know how the wig comes. They be having this net on it. So I'm gonna take the net off. The hair looks good so far. I'm trying to decide if I want to dye it jet black, but I don't know. I might just keep it this natural color because I already got like 3-4 wigs that I done dyed jet black. Take the little clamps off. Okay, okay. This is my first time ordering from this company, but it look, you know, it look okay. I probably would have added another bundle in here. I may still add another bundle in here because I like my hair extra thick. But I'm just trying to see. It is shedding a little bit. Let me see. Well, I got one strand, which isn't a lot. But I got some more on my lap, like 2 or 3 strands on my lap from running my hands through it. But this is the lace. It's just regular transparent lace. I will say that the knots are small. Let's part it and see if it's small all the way throughout. This parting space is amazing. This is more than 6 inches. This is more like 8 inches. Let me show y'all. Like, this gonna make a bomb bust down. Look at all that parting space. Do y'all see that? And it's not even, that's like 8 inches. I do like that. But yeah, and I do like that the closure part is pretty long. I'm trying to check and see because I can kind of tell when they put fillers in it, but I'm not really seeing any fillers right now. But I'm ready to put her on, and all I want to do is, I might do some crimps, but I want to do a bust down part. I want to make it look as traditional sew-in as I can because that's what I was going for. I was supposed to get a traditional sew-in, but my hair didn't come in time enough, so I'm like, I'm just order a wig, and then it's COVID and just I don't feel comfortable, so I just ordered a wig. And I'm trying to make it look as traditional sew-in as I can. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna wash this hair. I'm gonna bleach the knots and I'm gonna pluck it and I'm gonna wash it just so I can get like the real feel on this wig, because you know you have to wash the hair and all that stuff before you really know what quality the hair is. But they did say it was 10A hair, so we're gonna see. I love this part, and like, But yeah, I will be back when I get ready to install this wig, y'all. What's up, y'all? It's Risha Alexis, and we are back with another video. So I am about to let y'all see how I install my closure wigs, and I'm supposed to be reviewing this company's wig. So this is the wiggy wig. It's a 6x6 closure wig. I've already customized it, you know, did everything that I'm supposed to do. It's a 6x6 closure wig, and she is 34 inches. I washed her, I already bleached her knots, I already plucked her, I already customized her, you know, and I did all of that. So we're finna get right into this video, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm not going to do much talking throughout this video. If y'all don't know how to put on a lace wig yet, you're probably not going to learn how. So I pretty much did my bald cap off camera, and what you see me doing here is just using that RDF cream foundation to put it on my bald cap and also on my lace closure as well. Here, I'm just about to take this wig and try it on, make sure it is where I want it to be placed. And then I'm just going to lift it back and go ahead and apply about 2 to 3 layers of glue. I didn't plan on keeping this on for a long amount of time just because it's so long and I know it'll be a lot to deal with. So that's why I went with 2 layers. So y'all already know, once that glue is predominantly clear, you want to go ahead and lay your lace into that glue, and then you're going to use an elastic band to tie it down and let that melt for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to cut that excess lace off and get that hairline looking top notch. If you find that you have a white halo around the front of that lace, use your RDF cream foundation to go in and fix that. And you know, that is gonna fix it like really quickly. It's gonna have it looking like scalp. You're gonna appreciate this little tip, okay? Now you want to go ahead and part out your baby hair and get them to laying flat so that they are easier to swoop. After I got my baby hair parted out and looking the way that I want them to look, I do go back in with a little bit of that cream foundation and also this got to be glued spray can. And yeah, this is just going to help them melt, okay? So right here, I'm just using my Garnier Fructis oil to help lay down and tame those flyaways. And I also went over it with the hot comb too because it makes it look sleek and shiny. Period. Let's take that elastic band off and see what we have. Oh, can we say scalp? Can we say scalp? Because this is my hair. This is my hair that I grew overnight. Period. Let's go ahead and get these baby hairs cut down using the eyebrow razor. And then, of course, we're going to curl them up and go ahead and swoop them. And yeah, we'll almost be done. So this is pretty much it for this video. Real cute, real simple, real effortless, real easy to install. I'm just fixing a few kinks and then I'm going to show y'all how long the hair is. It is really, really long. To be honest, I probably wore this wig for about 3 to 4 days and then took it off because it was just a lot. But anyway, y'all remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Raw babies out.